Hello, children. Warm greetings to all. Children, today we will learn about soils of India. Children, nature has provided us with many resources. Soil is one such natural resource. It's defined as the top layer of the earth on which plants and trees grow. The formation of soil is a long and slow process. It takes thousands, even millions of years to form a thin layer of soil. Natural forces like sun, wind, and water break large pieces of rocks into smaller pieces, which are further broken down, creating a layer of soil. Children, you know that India is an agricultural nation. More than 70% of our people are engaged in agriculture. So, soil is one of the most important natural resources in India. There are six major types of soils found in India. They are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, mountain soil. So let's learn about these soils one by one. Alluvial soil. Children, you have read that the rivers that originate in the Himalayas flow down to the plains. They carry soil and small pieces of rocks and deposit them in the plains. The soil formed this way is called alluvial soil. It's found in the plains of Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar. The crops grown in alluvial soil are rice, wheat, pulses, sugarcane, jute, vegetables, etc. Alluvial soil is very fertile and rich in humus. Black soil, also called lava soil. It's black in color. It's found in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. Black soil can hold large amount of water. This quality makes it suitable for growing cotton and sugarcane. Wheat, millets, tobacco, and oil seeds are also grown in this type of soil. Red soil cannot retain moisture. To make it fertile, farmers add fertilizers to it. It's found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, some parts of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Jharkhand. Once manure is added, groundnuts, jawar, bajra, and pulses can be grown in this type of soil. Laterite soil. This type of soil is found in western Ghats and parts of Tamil Nadu. It's also red in color. It's good for crops such as orchards, coffee, tea, spice plants. Laterite soil is also used for making bricks. Desert soil. Desert soil contains mostly sand. It's found mainly in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Sandy soil cannot hold much water. It's therefore not fertile. Millets, barley, dates, wheat, and gram are grown in desert soil. Mountain soil. This soil is very rich in remains of dead plants and animals called humus. This makes the soil very fertile. It is found in the Himalayan region and in the northeastern parts of India. This soil is very good for growing fruits like apples, pear, peach, plums, etc. Now, children, we will learn about soil erosion. Soil erosion occurs when the upper layer of soil is removed by the action of wind and water. What causes soil erosion? Human activities such as cutting down of trees, pulling out grasses, and overgrazing by animals make the soil loose. Rainwater and strong winds carry the loose soil away if there is not enough vegetation to hold it. Often, landforms like steep slopes also cause soil erosion. Children, now the question is how can we conserve soil? We should plant more trees and stop deforestation. We should enrich soil by adding natural or organic fertilizers like cow dung, compost, and humus. Fields should not be kept barren. We should stop overgrazing. Thank you, children. I hope that you have understood this topic.